Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this session, we are going to show you the enhancement which we have made in the purchase order entry system, and in which the breakups are now shown uh, in the notes. And you have already seen that if you click the order number and the order number, then you get this all the information. That's right. Okay. And the next is when you double click on any fee like shipment fee, then this note is open, right? And it is ensured that the total is matching, right? If it is not matching, it will ask for you to pass an adjustment entry. It will help you pass the adjustment amount in here, right? So far, so good. But how about how to generate these files, these notes, right? These notes are these are the files which are appear which are coming from the PO header, right? If we go to the PO header, let's go to the PO header. In the PO header, you have these information, like this is PO number 14, and this is the the note, the shipment fees note. So this file must exist in the notes folder. If you see the notes folder, this is the notes folder within here, and you have all these notes created. But how they are created, right? Do we have to create them manually and then attach it and put the figure in here? No. So they are created very easily, and let's let's for example delete this one. I'm deleting this note, right? Okay, and I'm also deleting one here, and you will see that this note will get created automatically, right? About these $450 shipment fees, there is no notes at the moment. There was a note that got deleted already. Okay. Now let's go to the interface, and we run, and we go to the purchase order number 8, in which we deleted the note, right? So let's try. So it has sensed it, and it was 8 or it was 9, I think it was 9. Because this shouldn't have appeared. It is 7 probably. Yeah, this is, you have the $450 shipment fees, and there's no note appearing, right? No note appearing. So as soon as you double click it, we have programmed it like this, that if no note appearing, so it creates on the basis of the first note file we already have, so that the format is consistent, and then it creates an key in the information, basic information, which are readily available, like 450 will come in the amount column, PO number 7 will appear in here, PO date will come in here, and supplier J will appear in here. Okay, so let's double click in here, and let's double click. Okay, so if you see, the trend is created, yeah, and it has created automatically the note number 1008, purchase order number automatically appearing. This is right, that's right. And the driver name is also appearing uh, because uh, we have taken the sales representative, the supplier representative, Luisa, Luis, he is the customer representative. We, if you want that responsible person of the customer to appear in here, so you can customize it so that it appears in here that he himself delivered these things because he is responsible for the delivery of these goods. So that's how you can make a free for you can add a new column, you can move the column sequence from here and there, and add more information like vehicle and etc. in it. So you have given the end users, the liberty to make to make their own notes format, and the system is going to take it, right? So to achieve all this, there are certain things which were necessary to do. The first thing is what as soon as the system is initialized, it goes to for example, we take the sale order, so because it makes available our notes. Yeah, this is the notes sheet. And the notes sheet, in the notes sheet, right and the rightmost, that is A column, you will have these are the components which of the form which have the data and which may be used in as a column in your notes, right? For example, you can have, for example, you can have the purchasing officer name. You can have a supplier representative name. You can have this. So there are so many things, right? So, so these are the things which are there. And if you open the last note which we have created, that is 1.8, yeah? Yes, yeah. Let's open it. You will see that it has not only entered this entry, yeah, for you, right? Also, in the there's a mapping sheet which maps all the columns what you have. It actually transposed date, PO, PO date, amount, right? So date, PO, PO date, and amount, and so on, right? And here is some drop downs available, right? Yeah. In the drop down, you can add those fields which I have just shown. These are the fields. They have the data in you. If you click any of these things, so that information will start coming, whether it will, so the system will simply start putting this information which you have selected in here. The, mm, the driver is the column heading, whereas since you have used the supplier representative to be this is to appear in here, so it is causing in the driver column the Lewis D'Souza appearing here. Okay, so how it is appearing here? Let's get back to the mapping, and in the mapping in the AA column, you see there are two columns here. The first is the control name, which was shown in the drop down, and this is the loose scissor. You see? So these are the values showing you that there are the data. There are some controls for which there is no data available, right? In your form, there are some controls. There are some data, yeah, for example, GRN date, yeah, and uh, this is the amount, yeah, and this is the shipment fees, and so on. You are having this is the order status, the pay date. So it will list down all the values which are available so that the users can customize their notes. So let's see this again so that you have the better idea of so let's don't say this yeah, we say we're on it again. Huh? Let's focus for example, we want to create a new notes for a purchase order, for example, 7. This is purchase order 6. Purchase order 6, and we see the shipment fees, for example, is $500. Okay, okay. For just 5 fees. Oh, it's very okay. Let's make it $30, for example. No, it's okay. Whatever you give here, and irrespective that there is no entry in here, the system will make the entry. You don't have to worry, right? So this is the beauty of the system, that it takes care of the file generation. If there is no file of the notes, the notes will get generated automatically, right? So we are going directly to the order number 6. In 6, we have this $30 amount, and there is no ship fee note. So if we double click on it, so the file is generated. Yeah, the file is generated, and you see the 30 and the driver name. The driver name is actually because in the template we have said bring the supplier representative name in there, because so assuming that he is himself delivering the goods. Right? So myself said so driver name, and then the rest you can do. You can split this in 2 trips. You can add you have additional information in it, and so on and so forth. For example, you want to add the vehicle number in here, so just double click in here, and you get the edit. Yeah, you get the edit option. You go to edit option, and then you keep pressing it so that you reach the vehicle number. This is the driver name, and this is the vehicle number, for example. Right, the vehicle number is VXD 334 225. Okay, so this is the vehicle number, and you click it OK, and remarks are OK, that's fine. So it has appeared, right? And now, if you comment again, it will start going because it will ask you to the all the rest of the system is intact because yeah, uh, as you know, when you make the changes, you have to save the notes, right? You have saving it. Now it is being saved and closing. And now, if you double click on it, it is going to be displayed with the vehicle number, right? So, so this is how this is a nice application. It has become and robust. It is capable of generating your own notes with own formats, with some limitations that there has to be an amount column. This you have to have, and no matter it is on the 3rd position, 4th position, wherever in the title there has to be one column dedicated for the amount, and the lastmost column on which the system can enter some remarks like this. Okay, so this is how it is being uh, uh, shown, and you can do you can uh, keep on improving it, making it changes as per the requirement of the users. Let's see the go to the 14 number order. So this is the 14 number order, 200. Yeah, so it is still there. The driver name, as they were entered, they are appearing in here, right? So they are not, they are got affected, right? So this is how it is. Then I hope you liked it. Let's see you again uh, for more on this enhancements in the next video. Thank you very much.